Hey everyone, it's RJ on rotation, and this week I was in the marketing department and I got a chance to see the side of a credit union that most people don't even know about. When people think of the credit union, they usually think about the employees they see in the branch, but there's also a support team working behind the scenes to help keep things running. And I was lucky enough to shadow the marketing team so I could see some of the work that they do, from supporting community events, promoting products and services, and sharing information with our members. I also got the chance to spend some time working with the credit union's website platform, and honestly, that was one of my favorite parts of the week because I got to see the planning and creative work that happens in the background. One thing that I noticed is that even though marketing isn't a member-facing department, it still touches almost every aspect of the organization. And whether it's a social media post, a community event, or even a power outage, marketing helps keep members informed and connected. So this week showed me how important support teams are to the credit union and how much work gets done behind the scenes to assist both members and employees. That was RJ on rotation, and I'll see you in the next video.